With the holiday season upon us, it's time to work on some Christmas projects. I had a couple of 24 by 20 corrugated plastic sheets in my garage for the past couple of years, so I decided to put them to good use. I started by marking and drilling 100 holes about 2-inch spacing between each. I spray painted the board black and let it dry. I'm using these smart Twinkly lights with 100 lights per string. I inserted the lights one by one from behind the plastic sheet to form a grid. This is what it looks like from behind and once the lights are on. I continue by using these ping pong balls. I took a soldering iron, poke a hole big enough to fit the bulb, inserted one on each bulb, and used a hot glue gun to keep them in place. This is what it looks like with the lights on and the balls in place. I'm planning on putting them on two of my windows and sync the lights and effects with the rest of the display. As you saw, it's straightforward to make, and it looks great in the dark and will be part of the overall theme of this year's display. After finishing that project, I moved on to another simple idea with the same straightforward approach. For this project, I used 4 10-foot 3/4-inch PVC pipes. I will connect 2 of the pipes together to give me a 20-foot long pipe. Similar to the grid, I will mark and drill 100 holes about 2 to 2.5 inches apart. The holes doesn't have to be perfectly straight down the line because I'm looking for a slight wave effect. This year's display will have some subtle changes that will give it a different look than the previous years. To get them to be about 20 feet each, I use this PVC pipe coupling to connect the 2 pipes and use a cap at the end of each. Like the previous project, I'm using 2 boxes of 100 smart Twinkly lights. Once again, I will insert each bulb from the bottom and use the same ping pong balls. Before that, I spray painted the pipes black and let them dry. The black will give the lights a floating effect in the dark. While you are here, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit the bell icon. These are the items I'm using again: a hot glue gun, the second generation Twinkly 100 string bulbs, the soldering iron for the balls, and a ping pong ball. After letting the paint dry, it was time to start inserting the lights and placing the bulbs. I poked the hole in the center of the ball, applied the hot glue around the hole, and put it on top of the bulb. Depending on the environment, the hot glue dries pretty quickly. Just hold it in place for a couple seconds and it will stay in place. It was a cool, windy day, so it dried up pretty quickly. One down, 3 to go. Just repeat the process for all of them. With everything done, you get this pretty line of lights. I will connect 2 of the 10-foot to get a 20-foot. They will go along each side of my driveway, once again to be part of this year's display idea. They sure look pretty, don't they? I just finished work on the centerpiece of this year's display and will be posting that video in the coming days. That project was a bit more complicated, but it will tie everything together for this year's display. Make sure to come back to see that video. And here's a sneak peek. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.